I come across this triangular arbitrage online, then I just try to watch the video, then I decide to make a review on this video and to let you guys know the risk and the reward. Maybe it's possible to make money with this kind of trading strategy frequently or not, and the risk to reward. So on my screen over here, I'm going to just find like hot cryptocurrency. I think that's when there's a lot of liquidity, meaning a lot of people are trading on this Binance. Mind you, if you don't have a Binance account, there will be a link in the video description to create an account with Binance with my link, so you will receive a welcome bonus. So I will select this data, and I'm going to compare this chart with other coin. If you see, as you can see over here, there is this price is more attractive to buy it on BTC, this data pair, then sell it on BUSDT pair, or you can buy it also on USDT. So this actually how things this works. So they will ask you to buy this in the sense that to gain a fraction of profit, which is a lot of it more riskier. The reason why I say this is, okay, let me buy this data. Let me press data. I buy, let's say I have a lot of money, I buy 500 right now. As I'm buying this 500 right now, 500 worth of USDT, I'm buying a month. Okay, no, 500. So as I'm buying right now, I'm not putting stop loss. That's the actual place I want to correct. People normally make money with this kind of trade, but this is just where the risk comes in. The risk to reward is very low. The reason why I say this is they will ask you to buy this without putting stop loss, because if you buy this amount of the currency you want to buy and go and sell little fraction of profit, right now this coin may just go down because you are not using stop limits, because you just want to gain a like fraction of profits. Like if you are not using a lot of money, you won't make a good money with this kind of trading. Then you buy over here, press buy. You say insufficient, you press buy. So right now you have this kind of amount. Now you are waiting to sell it to trade. So I'm going to go back again. I'm going to compare the market. You are waiting to sell it to BUSDT. Then you find out that this coin has already go down, because in crypto, in 1 second, the coin, or 5 seconds or 10 seconds, the coin can go 2%, 10%. Actually, if this coin goes, let me play. If this coin goes, see, actually, if I make this trade now, I'm going to make $1 on this trade. You see, this is what I'm saying. But if this coin go against you, it just go like 5% or 3%. In this kind of, crypto is more volatile. The price can go like in 1 minute, it can go 2% down. So then just imagine you are down like 30%. You are unable to make this profit immediately. Actually, if you remember earlier, I tell you can make money with this only if you use like reasonable amount of money. You can see if you use $500, you make it $1. It's actually possible to make money with this, but the risk to reward you need to know before you try to make this kind of trade. So that's why I think I decided to make a video about this kind of triangular arbitrage, how people make this video, just to let you know the risk to reward. But actually you can make a profit, but not that a big amount of profit to the risk and the reward. So this is my opinion, and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, and see you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.